Skies are sunny right now. Temperature 88. A sunny start to the week after a cloudy weekend with a little bit of rain, and we could use a lot more. Dew point also down to 57, so the air is dry. So this morning, with that dry air, it was very fall-like. North and east of the city, a lot of 50s. LJ, Murphy, Athens to Crossville. 60s elsewhere. Very similar tomorrow morning with some of those 50s limited in areas off to the east. And right now, as we approach early start of the evening, it is warm. Still summer technically for 6 more days, and it feels like it. Temperatures are in the 80s, low 80s off to the east. Now the breeze, not much of a factor now. It's been up there a little bit, 10 to 15 miles an hour. But tomorrow we'll get a breeze, especially east of the city. 10 to at times 20 miles an hour. So a little breezy tomorrow as we watch a coastal low way off to our east. So if you look at the clouds and radar combined, we've had rain on all sides of us. One off to our west, what was left of Francine, that brought a lot of rain close by. Huntsville, Birmingham, Nashville, but for us, just light showers over the weekend. All that's now moving away. So now we got another coastal low off the Carolina coastline. It's known as potential tropical cyclone number 8. Probably will not gain tropical characteristics, but nevertheless, a named storm, it doesn't have to be one that causes more rain. That's going to be the case. It doesn't always have to be named. Heavy downpours of rain across the Carolina coastline, pushing farther inland. And as the slow does drift inland, it's going to push a little bit of rain farther back to the west. Now, typically, these have a hard time getting up and over the mountains and battling then dry air, but just a little bit of that's going to make it over the north and eastern part of our viewing area. If you have travel plans to Knoxville or the Tri-Cities tomorrow, they'll see the better chance of rain. Over the course of the next several days, central and western North Carolina will have heavy rain, but north and east of us, the amounts are very light. And our future track helps to illustrate that. We go through tomorrow morning. A lot of clouds in place, upper 50s, low 60s. Notice again, you go from Athens, Helical Plains, Murphy, you run a better chance of showers during the morning and early part of the afternoon. And then the farther back it moves to the west, we'll have to see if it even makes it this far west. I'll include a slight chance locally around the city, but again, it's going to be battling that dry air. So it's just a quick shot. And if you get the showers, consider yourself very fortunate because it's just going to be widely scattered. By evening, all that starts to break up, and as that low moves farther off to the north, well, it loses its influence. It's not a quick round at all. It's not a long-lasting round. It's a quick round. We get to late day on Wednesday, skies start to clear, air dries out, only a slight shower chance off to the east. The rest of the week is both warmer and drier with temperatures approaching 90 by late week. So our only rain chance is just scattered, and it's tomorrow, our only chance, especially north and east of the city. Now, the clouds will hold temperatures down right around 80 in the city, 70s, much cooler in areas that get that beneficial round of showers. But again, consider yourself fortunate because you look at this next 7 days, it's dry and it's quite warm. So that shower chance tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we go back to the mid to upper 80s. How about the weekend? 90, the final day of summer. It'll feel like it, highs around 90, but that first day of fall, well, it'll still feel like summer. Highs upper 80s. Give it time. Fall eventually will get here.
All right, David.